Prevent Frozen Pipes, your ultimate guide.
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's topic, how to prevent pipes from freezing. As we know, the freezing and bursting of pipes can lead to significant damage and costly repairs. Today, we're going to look at some steps you can take to keep this from happening in the future.
Why do pipes freeze?
Pipes freeze when heat is lost from the water inside them, causing the water to turn into ice. This typically happens when pipes are exposed to freezing temperatures without proper insulation. The ice causes pressure buildup in the pipes, which can eventually lead to a pipe burst.
Which pipes are most at risk?
Pipes most at risk are those in unheated, uninsulated, or poorly insulated areas such as basements, garages, exterior walls, and crawl spaces. Also, pipes that are made from materials like copper or steel that conduct cold temperatures well are more likely to freeze.
How can I insulate my pipes?
Insulation is your first line of defense against freezing pipes. Pipe insulation is readily available at most hardware stores and is easy to install. For those pipes in unheated areas, consider using pipe insulation with a higher R value for the best protection. If your pipes are situated in areas hard to reach, you might want to hire a professional to ensure the job is done right.
What are other ways to protect my pipes?
Beyond insulation, there are several other preventative measures you can take. 1. Keep your home warm. Maintain the thermostat at a constant temperature both day and night. This helps to ensure that the heat can reach pipes within walls and prevent freezing. 2. Let faucets drip. If you're expecting a particularly cold night and you're worried about your pipes, let your faucets drip. Running water, even just a trickle, can help prevent pipes from freezing. 3. Seal cracks and openings. Cracks and openings in your home's walls, floors, and ceilings can let cold air in, putting your pipes at risk. Be sure to seal these areas to keep your home and pipes warm. 4. Use heat tape. For pipes that are easily accessible, you can use heat tape or heat cables that are designed to be wrapped around the pipe. They'll provide heat to prevent freezing. In conclusion, keeping your pipes from freezing involves a combination of adequate insulation, maintaining a warm home environment, allowing water to trickle during extreme cold, and sealing any cracks that might let in cold air. While these steps can't guarantee your pipes will never freeze, they will drastically reduce the risk. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you find these tips helpful. Stay warm and take care.